Only on www.royal-mechanical.com. Free internship for mechanical engineers. Learn Catia V5 for free. Learn for free how mechanical engineers can get jobs. Learn for free mechanical engineering interview questions and answers, and simple spoken English for mechanical engineers to succeed in job interviews.
How to orient 3D models in Catia V5. In this e-learning module, I shall demonstrate, and make you understand, how to orient 3D models in Part Design Workbench of Catia V5. In Catia V5, the orientation of 3D models can be set using Named Views command. Please note, the named views are also available in the Assembly Design Workbench. The named views are, the front view, the left view, the right view, the top view, the bottom view, and the isometric view. Now let me demonstrate each named view. Before we get started, download the solid model to practice named views. Click on the box to download the SDP file. Open the named views SDP file. Once the file is opened, go to View and then click on Named Views. You can see, all the named views are available for you to choose and apply. Select ISO, to apply isometric view. Select Front, to apply front view. Select Back, to apply back view. Select Left, to apply left view. Select Right, to apply right view. Select Top, to apply top view. Select Bottom, to apply bottom view. Alternatively, you can also access the named views from the shortcut icons available on the toolbar. The icons are self-explanatory. Just go ahead and try to apply various named views.